students, how are you? So today we will start with subject EVS, first standard. We have finished with 3 lessons and we are going to start with the 4th lesson, lesson number 2.2, a balanced diet. Page number 70. Everyone, you have to take your textbooks out and you have to look in the textbook whenever I read or whenever I show you anything, okay? So I'll start reading with the first line, a balanced diet. We cannot only eat fruits, we need something more. What is said in this line that we cannot stay the whole day only on fruits. We need even something more. Anyone can stay only on fruits every day. Morning in the breakfast you'll get a fruit, in the lunch you'll get a fruit, in the evening snacks you'll get a fruit, and also in your dinner you'll get a fruit. Do you like it? No. Only fruits, we cannot eat them every day. So we also cannot eat only vegetables. We need something more. What is being said that not only fruits, but if every day in the morning or every day, the whole day, if you are given only vegetables, can you eat that also? No. We cannot eat only vegetables every time. In the breakfast, if you get only vegetable, lunch only vegetable, dinner only vegetable, can you eat that? No. We must try and eat a little of all types of food every day. Now what is being said that every day you should eat everything little. Even some fruits, some vegetables, chapati, rice, everything. You should have everything little in your daily diet. We should eat food which gives us protein, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, calcium and iron. What should we do? We should eat foods, healthy food which provides us all these nutrients. Different food gives us different things. Why do we say that every day you should include different vegetables and different fruits? This is because each and every fruit or each and every vegetable or anything that we have, it contains different nutrients. So what do we get then? If every day we eat, today we'll eat one fruit in the morning, then we'll eat some snacks, then some vegetables, chapati, rice, then what happens? Everyone has different nutrients. So we get all the nutrients every day. So you should include every day different things in your diet. Let us see what we get from a few food items. Now what we'll see on the below page, there are some food items given. We'll see what these food items give to your body when you eat them. See, first is a cheese, next eggs, fish, bread, rice and also butter. There are many more, but here only some are given. We'll see what these food provide us. What do they provide us? We are rich in proteins. Who is rich in proteins? Cheese, eggs and also fish. What do these things tell you? That they all are rich in proteins. We help your body to grow. These food not only gives us proteins, but it also helps our body to grow properly and healthy. Next we'll see bread, rice and butter. Now what do these foods give us? These food give us, we are rich in carbohydrate and fats. What do these provide us? They are very rich in carbohydrate and fats. We give you energy. They give us energy. And what do we do with the energy? We play, we work, we do every our actions with the help of our energy. Okay? So we'll go to the next page now, and what was given in this page that we should include each and everything in your diet. You should also eat vegetables, fruits and everything. Now we'll go to the next page, page number 18. See, on this page also some foodstuffs are given. Which are they? Banana, milk, curd, chicken and green leafy vegetables. What do they give us? We are rich in calcium and iron. All this food, it is rich in calcium and iron. You need us for strong teeth and healthy bones. What do? They give us strong teeth and also healthy bones. Next see, we give you different vitamins. Vitamins keep you well. What do all these food give us? They also give us vitamins, and vitamin is very good for us. They help us to keep your skin, eyes, teeth and digestive system in good health. What do they all do? They not only provide us with different calcium, iron and proteins, but what do? They also keep your skin, your eyes, your teeth and also your digestive system in a good health. They all keep them very proper. We must have plenty of clean water every day. With all your food, what should you do? You should also drink plenty of water each day. Water removes waste products from your body. Water helps all the waste products to come out of your body. We should always eat fresh food. Children should eat 4 meals a day. What should you do? You all should eat 4 meals in a day. That is, in the morning your breakfast, then your lunch in the afternoon, your snacks in the evening and the dinner at your night. You all should have these 4 meals in a day. We should have our meals at fixed times every day. What do you usually do, children? You eat any time of the day. So you should not do that. You should have your meals at regular timing. Every day your timing should be fixed, that at in the morning 8 o'clock I will have my breakfast, in the afternoon 1 o'clock I will have my lunch. Whatever time suitable to you, but you should keep your time fixed of your breakfast, your lunch, your evening snacks and also your dinner. Okay? Dairy is a place where milk and cream are stored and also made in butter and cheese. So you have seen many a times your parents go to the dairy to buy milk, cheese and butter. This is a place where milk is processed into cheese, into butter and also it is stored as cream. Okay? We'll see the next page, page number 19. Long ago, man ate raw food. They ate grass and chewed the roots of the plants. They hunted wild animals and birds and ate them also raw. Then somebody discovered fire. They all cooked their food after that. What is said in this paragraph now? That before, in the earlier days, man ate everything raw. He did not cook it because he did not knew to cook or he did not knew how to light a fire. So he ate everything raw. What did he eat? He ate grass. He chewed the stems of the plants. He also hunted wild animals and birds. But what did he do? He ate them also raw. Then someone discovered fire, and from that period of time, man started cooking his food. See, here also there are some food grains given to you. We will see about them. Here is rice, some grains of rice. What do? You have to boil us before eating. Rice, you can't eat rice raw. You have to boil them or cook them before eating. Here you have to fry us before eating. What is this? They are puris. Puris also, see, whenever you see, whenever your mama makes at home, do you eat them like this? No, you have to fry them before you eat. Next is idlis. You have to steam us before you eat. Idlis also you have seen many of the times in the kitchen. Mama has to steam them before you eat. Next is bread and cake. You have to bake us before eating. Cake and bread, it is also being baked before you eat. Now is papad. You have to roast us before eating it. Papads, what we have to do? Papad also you can't eat it raw. You should have to fry them before eating. Fry, or you can also roast them. Next are the vegetables, that is brinjal and potato. You have to cook us before eating. Both these two vegetables and even many more vegetables, you have to cook them before you have to eat them. Next is orange and mangoes. You have to peel us before eating. Before eating any of the fruits, see, orange also, you can't eat the orange with its skin. You have to peel it, then only you can eat them. And even mangoes also, you have to peel them before you eat them. Eat them like this only after washing them, but you can also cook them before eating. Now we have finished with the lesson. I hope you have understood with the explanation. The question and answers that is given to you on page number 20 and page number 21 on both the pages. Page number 20 and also page number 21. These all question answers will be provided to you in the end of this video. You have to complete this book and also your notebook.